Good afternoon, viewers. Today my video is about how to use Maha Mobile application. Maha Mobile application is for Bank of Maharashtra customers. Customers will get number of benefits with this application. Now I am going to explain all benefits which are going to received by customers through this application. And after this, I am going to explain how to install from Play Store and how to register, how to log in and how to use this application. Now coming to the point. What are the benefits customers going to receive through this application? First point, they can check their balance. Means you can check your saving bank details, you can check your fixed account details, you can check your current account balance also, and you can check your loan dues also. Number 2, you can transfer fund. Means through IMPS or through NEFT, you can directly transfer amount to your family members or friends or any other business purposes. Number 3, you can request for blocking ATM, or you can regenerate your PIN. Sometimes you can temporarily block your ATM also. All this you can do this application only. Next, number 4, you can directly check your transaction details. Means for this you have to give from date and up to what date you want. Just type dates, press OK button. There you will get all your transactional details. In some cases, you can request for statement for your mail also. And next, you are going to get other benefits like you can check the status of check. Next, other benefits. You can request for mobile SMS alerts and email alerts. Next, one more benefit, you can locate your branch also, and you can directly contact to customer care also. So number of benefits are there with this application. Now I am going to show you how to install, how to register this application and how to use. Go to Play Store and in search bar type as a MAHAMOBILE Maha Mobile. After searching, this is the first application, Maha Mobile. So you have to install this. I am opening this. Here, for me it is showing open button because I already installed. For you, there it is reflect as a install button. So you have to install through this. And now I am opening application. So after opening application, app interface will be like this. In this, you are finding 3 buttons. One is login button, one is locate the branch, and one more button is new registration. You have to go through new registration because you are first time coming to application. So you need to click on new registration. Click OK button. Okay, there you need to give your 11-digit account number and your 10-digit mobile number. Means mobile number which you are given for at the time of opening account. So only that mobile number only you have to give. So you need to enter 11-digit account number and 10-digit mobile number. So now I am going to enter. After entering, you need to press submit button. For security purpose, I am hiding these details. Yes, I typed my mobile number and account number. After that, I pressed on submit button. After that, I got one SMS with 4-digit OTP, and I pressed that OTP also. After that, the screen interface will be like this. So here you need to register Maha Mobile application. Here you have 3 options. One is with your internet banking details, and with your ATM card details or through the branch. So you can select any option. It's better. My request is it's better to go through your ATM. So now I'm clicking on
register using ATM card.
Register using
Double tap to
ATM
activate.
card. I'm clicking on this. Here it is
Screen
asking
recorder notification.
my 16-digit ATM card number and 4-digit ATM pin. We need to give these details. After that,
Submit button.
submit. We have to press on submit button. Again, same security purpose. I'm not going to show these details. So again, your process is give ATM number and press pin. Press submit button. After that, you need to enter your pin. Means not only ATM pin, one opening pin, mobile application opening pin, and M pin. These two pins you need to give. So I'm hiding these details. In coming step, definitely you are going to understand. It's easy process only. I have given my 16-digit ATM card number and 4-digit PIN. Thereon, I pressed submit button. After that, I have given PIN and MPIN. Both are 4-digit numbers only that you have to select on your own. So I have given all these details and my registration was completed. Now I am going to open this application. Just nothing to do. You have to give your 4-digit PIN.
Password. Showing dial. 2 4 6 2. Submit.
Yes, I have given submit also. After logging this application, every time you are going to get one message. Means message also came. This message means you are logged in Maha Mobile application. Okay. Here you are. I already explained the number of benefits you are going to get now. First benefit, banking
Double
means
tap to
here you can check your balances. I opened banking there. Press on my accounts. Here saving account showing, fixed accounts, current accounts, and loan accounts also showing. I'm not opening for security purposes. So if you have accounts, click on this. You can directly find your balance.
Add.
Next, number 2, fund transfer.
Double tap to activate. Self fund transfer.
Click on. After clicking this, you can transfer through IMPS or you can transfer through NEFT. Before this, you need to add beneficiaries. Here option is there, no?
Manage beneficiaries.
Manage beneficiary.
Double tap to add.
So here you can add your beneficiary. You can remove your beneficiary. So before transferring balance, it's must and should. You have to add beneficiaries. Means it will take 3 to 4 hours.
Add. Card services.
Next,
Double
third
tap to
services,
activate.
card services. Card services means I already told you.
Debit card blocking.
Debit card
Double tap
block
to activate.
means if you lost your ATM card, you can directly block from here.
Debit card pin regeneration.
Debit card pin
Double tap to
regeneration.
activate.
You can change your pin.
Form listing. Temporary block.
Temporary block.
tap
I
to
already
activate.
told you, no? So if you don't want to use your ATM card, you can temporary block and you can open from here only.
Add. But.
That's one more service.
Service request.
Service request. It means
Transaction sir.
here you can directly check your transactional details. For this,
Statement of.
you have to give from date and up to what date you want a statement. You have to give those details and press submit button.
Submit.
There
Button.
you will get all
Double tap
details
to activate.
on
Double tap and
screen
hold to long
itself.
press. Add.
Or else
Statement of account request.
statement
Double
of
tap to
account
activate.
request. Here also you need to give your from to date means when to when. You have to give these details and directly statement will get to your mail.
Add.
Next,
Check status inquiry.
check
Double
status
tap to
inquiry.
activate.
If you should check, you can check the status means where it is.
TDS inquiry. Double add. Pause.
So
Double tap to
now
activate.
last option, it is pause. Here
Showing
you can
items 1 to 7
request
of
for
7.
mobile passbook and
Change pin 2 of 7. Enlist 7
sorry,
items.
I'm really sorry.
Pause.
Pause.
Double tap. Mobile passbook.
Here you can request mobile passbook, or you can request for mobile SMS alerts or email alerts. All you can request from here only. So now I'm going to show you how to request for mobile alerts.
Change pin. Activate SMS service 3 of 7.
I'm pressing
Double
on
tap to
activate
activate.
SMS services. Click on this. Give your account number and type your mobile number. Enter the captcha. So after this, it's going to be activated.
Back.
And two more benefits are
Showing
there.
items.
One is, say, press this button, 3-dot button. Here, locate the branch.
Fax. Home. Locate us.
Locate us. Press on this button
Select.
and select your state. In which state
Please
you
select
want to know the
Andhra Pradesh.
branches.
Gujarat. Arunachal Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh.
I am
131.
selecting Andhra Pradesh.
Double. Andhra Pradesh.
And
Double tap to act. Select.
select your district.
Please select. Chittoor 2 of 20.
I am selecting
Adilabad 1 of 20.
Adilabad. I am
toggle.
selecting this because this is the first district now. So I am selecting Adilabad.
Adilabad. Search button.
Press search button. So
Bank of Maharashtra.
yes,
ATM with
details
branch
are came
locators.
now. With this, you can check your nearest branches also. If you go to new places, definitely it's going to be help.
Back.
And one more benefit:
Back.
whenever you want to contact customer care, many people will search through Google. You know, number of cyber cases are coming nowadays because they are displaying wrong customer care numbers. So if you check through Google, definitely sometimes you will get wrong customer care numbers. For this also, in this application, one same press 3-dot button and
Contact us.
contact us,
Double
press
tap
on
to
contact
activate.
us. Their mobile number is displayed 1800 something. You can directly call from here.
Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
Yes, so
Add
you
the
are
contacts
understanding
button.
now.
Double tap to activate.
Like this, you can call to customer care also. So I hope I explained clearly, and these are the benefits you are going to enjoy through this application. Share it and register. Enjoy banking services at your home only. If you like this video, please share it with your friends also.